Showtime subscribers are getting an early look at Donovan's Season 6 premiere. The episode is currently available to subscribers of the premium cabler on Showtime streaming service, Showtime On Demand and Showtime Anytime ahead of its on-air debut Sunday, October 28 at 9 p.m. Season 6 picks up with Liev Schreiber, rebuilding his life both personally and professionally in New York City. After being rescued from a plummet into the East River, his savior, a cop named Mac, Dominic Lombardozzi, brings Ray into the fraternity that is the Staten Island Police Department. While exploring this new world of brotherhood and corruption, Ray finds himself once again working for media mogul Samantha Winslow, Susan Sarandon, returning as a series regular. Sam has teamed up with New York City mayoral candidate Anita Novak, Lola Glaudini, a partnership that puts Ray at odds with his new friends out in Staten Island. Jon Voight also stars in his Golden Globe-winning role as Mickey Donovan. Eddie Marsan, Dash Mihok, Catherine Monig, Pooch Hall, Kara Storsey, Devin Bagby and Graham Rogers also star. Created by Ann Biederman, Ray Donovan is executive produced by David Allender, Mark Gordon, Brian Zuref, and Lou Fusaro.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.